In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable your microphone on Google Meet. This simple guide is perfect for those who are new to Google Meet or anyone who has run into issues getting their microphone to work during a meeting. Enabling your microphone ensures that you can actively participate in your meetings, share your ideas in real time, and more importantly, be heard. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by typing meet.google.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you're there, you should see the interface of Google Meet, ready for you to join or start a new meeting. But before you dive into any video calls, let's make sure your microphone is set up correctly. The next step is to look at the site settings, which can be found directly in the URL bar of your browser when you're on the Google Meet page. You might see a small icon, like a lock or an info button, near the left side of the URL. Clicking on this will open the Site Settings menu for Google Meet. This menu is crucial as it controls what permissions you've granted the website, including access to your microphone. Within the Site Settings menu, you'll need to find the option for your microphone. It might be off by default, or perhaps set to Ask, which prompts Google Meet to request access to your mic each time you join a meeting. What you'll want to do here is ensure that the option is turned on. Enabling it allows Google Meet to automatically access your microphone, saving you the hassle of approving it every time and ensuring you're always ready to speak. After you've turned on the microphone option, there's one more crucial step: refreshing the page. This simple act ensures that the changes you've made to your settings are applied. Once the page reloads, Google Meet will have access to your microphone and you'll be all set to participate audibly in your meetings. Remember, ensuring your microphone is enabled and properly set up before any meeting can save you time and prevent those awkward moments where you're talking, but nobody can hear you. It's always a good idea to do a quick audio check before any important meeting. Most virtual meeting platforms, including Google Meet, have a tool to test your microphone as part of their setup process. And there you have it, just a few quick steps and you'll have your microphone working on Google Meet. Whether you're attending an important business meeting, catching up with friends, or participating in an online class, being heard is crucial. By following this guide, you can ensure that your voice is always a part of the conversation. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.